If I use statement 1 alone, I do not get the information regarding B, C and D. So it will not be possible to figure out who is the heaviest among them. So statement 1 alone cannot give the answer. Now if I use statement 2 alone, the lightest person is B and the weight is 40, which means that the other person A, D, C and E, the average, the weight if I look has to be more than 40. Now the average weight of D plus E is 60, which means the sum has to be 120 and A plus C has to be 100. So I am using statement 2 alone. I just know that B is the lightest, and if I look the remaining 4 persons, it will not be possible to figure out who is the heaviest among them. So I cannot answer this by statement 2 alone as well, which means that we have to combine both the statements. Now when I combine both the statements, you already know that B weight is 40, ADCE is greater than 40, D plus E is 120, A plus C is 100. Which means if I combine the data of A, the first statement where A and E are neither the heaviest nor the lightest, which means A cannot be the heaviest, E cannot be the heaviest. So the answer has to be between C or D. Now let's say if I say A is weight is more than 40. So definitely C weight would be less than 60. And if I look the equation D plus E 120, I can understand that E is not the heaviest. So in any case, E has to be less than 60. And if E is less than 60, I can say that D has to be more than 60. So combining the two statements, I would be able to answer the question. So the answer should be option C, which means if the question can be answered by using both the statements together but cannot be answered by using either statement alone.